Never sleep on the right side of your body. Random facts. No matter how hard you pinch your left earlobe, you won't feel it. Did you know that only 1% of the world's population has gray eyes? Your true love is the third person that shows up when you click on share, slide to the end and click on more, and there they will be. About 12% of people say they don't dream in color. They dream in black and white. Are you part of the 12%? Right? I dream that, and let your keyboard predict the rest. It should be fun. The syringe emoji is the emoji that's seen the highest increase in usage over that past few years. The funny bone is not even a bone. It's a nerve which runs inside of your elbow. Our sense of smell is so developed, it has been discovered that we can smell fear, disgust, happiness, and even sexual arousal on other people. Before this last fact, support us by pressing the follow button to get access to the most interesting facts on TikTok. Did you know on average humans spend 4 hours a week deciding what to eat?